Today we are in Quebec City at the Manoir Victoria in room 323. Here they use the key card. Excuse me. And you are presented with a gorgeous room. Comes complete with a safe, wardrobe, refrigerator, some storage, TV, sitting area, telephone, an old docking radio, and a writing desk. Take a quick look at the view from this room. And then you get a nice view of the street below. And then we'll take a quick look at the washroom. You got the shower, toilet, sink, some amenities. Thank you for watching. Of the Manoir Victoria in Quebec City. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, leave a comment.